There are two ways to make income. One is active and the other is passive. Active income requires you to work 9 to 5 jobs. It might be a regular and safe way to a constant stream of earnings, but with passive income, there is no limit on how much you can earn. And without putting in the hard work. But this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you are looking for that, this video is not for you. But if you are looking for honest ways to earn some money, then you are in the right place. So grab a seat, ladies, because you are about to learn some tips and tricks to earn extra money passively. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button because you already know it's free and it supports the channel a lot. So, hey Money Crushers, I am Stacy and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Let's get into it. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. This has gotten a bad rep because a lot of people use these to promote things that are not legitimate, but actually, we all are marketers. Every single time you post a cute little outfit on your Instagram, even if you have just 200 followers, some of your friends and family members are going to ask, "Oh my gosh, girl, where'd you get that top from?" And every single time that you tell one of your friends where you bought something from, you are putting money in the brand's pocket. The brand is getting to the bag, but you're not. However, because there are a lot of changes happening on these social media platforms, you and I can market products and get paid. To do so, for example, Instagram now allows you to put a link in your stories even if you don't have up to 10,000 followers. What that means is that you can go onto a website like cj.com and get affiliate links for your favorite products. And so when you're talking about things in your stories or on your feed, if you get any questions at all, you can just tell them to go to your stories and click the link in your stories and start securing the bag. Just go onto cj.com and you will understand what you have to do. If you have problems with the website, do let me know in the comment section below and I will make a video explaining the cj.com website in detail. Now, the second trick is to sell photos online. Just like any other endeavor, if you're strategic about it, you can get to the big bag. What I'm not going to do is to sit here and tell you that everyone that posts stock photos to Shutterstock or Unsplashed are getting to the big bag. A lot of people are not, but strategic people are. The key to making significant passive income from this is to license and sell photos that are in demand. For example, right now, a lot of people are looking for new jobs or business opportunities as the Great Resignation is continuing into 2022. Now, a lot of media and social media outlets are using photos of people carrying their boxes out of their offices right now. That's a great stock photo, which is in demand. So the smart thing to do would be to go onto a website like trends.google.com, find out what's trending right now in the world, take photos that are related to those trends, license them, and put them on websites like Shutterstock or Unsplash, because nobody got time for pennies, girl. I need every woman in this community to get to the big bag. We deserve it. Number 3 is to make money on Pinterest. Yes, you heard that right. I use Pinterest to plan my outfit style, my home, and things like that. But some other girls are using Pinterest to make money, and here's the website for that, business.pinterest.com. You're probably gonna have to create content before you start generating money, but let me tell you, if you're not creating content anywhere right now, you should. This is from my heart. Even if you don't like speaking to a camera, don't use YouTube, there's Instagram, there's Pinterest, there's LinkedIn. So start making some extra money. Number 4 is to sell printables on Etsy. I'm not gonna lie, this was my very first side hustle. Like, Etsy was what made me realize that I could actually do this entrepreneurship thing. Now, you're not going to make a lot of money immediately. You have to understand the platform. And that's true across pretty much every platform, but while many people do active things like selling journals and t-shirts, you could step in, do a couple of designs, set them and forget them, and people will make purchases and you would make money without doing any extra work. The 5th method is to set up a vending machine for feminine products. If you put this in a very busy public restroom, chances are a lot of women will gravitate towards it. The cost of setting up a vending machine, one that dispenses feminine products, is about $200 to $300. That's a pretty decent upfront investment to make. But if you have the right product and the right location, you could be generating income passively. I'm all for keeping your job. I'm all for doing side hustles, but honey, I know sometimes you want to relax. I know you get stressed sometimes, and so I just thought to put together some options that would require very little of your time or your money and would pay you nonetheless. So I hope you found this video helpful. Remember that I'm rooting for you, so please don't stop rooting for yourself. And that's it for today. Hope you learned something and would use it to make some money. Thanks for watching. I am Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.